Your Excellency.
Aja Baklava.
Surprise above the
Aja Baklava.
I'm not a member of Governors Forum, so you just better wait for the end of their meeting. I just came to see them, and I'm going now.
How is the party faring?
The party is faring well. What's your take home, sir? They will let you know.
There's a press statement from your office that is already in circulation, where you categorically said you will not resign. Why that response at this time?
I confirm to you that I will not resign. What? If you want confirmation.
Oh yeah, I beg, mate. It's ready. I beg.
Sorry,
it's okay. Thank you. I don't start.
Just rising from the emergency meeting of the PDP Governors Forum, where we have discussed extensively on matters of the moment concerning our party, and we have collectively resolved to continue to work together in unity, and this meeting is continuing tomorrow with other stakeholders, and very soon Nigerians and indeed all of you will hear our resolution, but we are working towards resolving all the issues as a family, and by the grace of God we are going to achieve that.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.